A lot of people have asked about how they can improve their vocabulary, how they can learn new words, and how they can remember new words after the first time they hear them. So in my opinion, the best thing that you can do is make flashcards. Put the English word on one side and the word in your first language on the other side. So as soon as you learn a new word, make a flashcard. And then you review the flashcards every day. Maybe 20 minutes every day. Maybe 10 minutes every day. Maybe 30 minutes every day. But try to do it at the same time and do it every day. Even if it's just 5 minutes, that's fine. But do it at the same time every day. And I'll show you how I would do this. So I have Thai on one side, English on the other side. I'm going to read the Thai word and then check to make sure that I can remember the English definition. So the first one is fun. Fun. I think that means teeth. So I'm going to check. Yes, it means teeth. So because I know this one, I'm going to put it all the way in the back. Next one, tontan, tontan. So let's suppose that I don't remember. If I don't remember it, that means I have an opportunity to improve something today. If I don't remember, that's a good thing. Oh, okay. Durable, durable. Tontan means durable. And because I didn't remember it, I'm not going to put it all the way in the back. I'm going to put it maybe 3 cards in so that I see it again very soon and I can practice it again very soon. Next one, anakot, that means future, and I'm very sure of that. I know that it's future, so I'm going to put it in the back because that one's easy. I don't need to review it again anytime soon. Mai klua tai, that means I'm not afraid of dying. And I know that, so I'm going to put it all the way in the back. This one, nguyen, nguyen. I think that means clue or hint, but let's suppose that I'm not 100% sure, so I check it. Oh yes, it is clue or hint. But I didn't remember it 100%, so I'm not going to put it in the back. I'm going to put it towards the front, 3 cards in, so in another moment I will see it again. Wai nam means swim. I know that, so I put it in the back. Yu ti pom means I have it here, I have it on me, I have it. Where is the highlighter? I have the highlighter. Highlighter yu ti pom. So I know that one, so put it in the back. Han means slice. I know that one, so I put it in the back. Now, here, I have this word again, nguyen. And this time, I still don't remember it 100%, but I think it's hint or clue. Oh yes, it is. And I'm going to put it again, not all the way in the back, because I want to see it again soon. I want to review it again soon. Now I have this word, tontan. I saw this word about 2 minutes ago, and this time I remember it because I didn't put it all the way in the back. I put it towards the front so that I would see it again soon, and this time I remember that it means durable. But I'm not going to put it all the way in the back. I'm going to put it in the middle. I'm going to put it in the middle because I know that I had a little bit of difficulty with it the first time and I want to see it again soon to make sure I can remember it. Blom is fake, and I know it's fake, so I put it all the way in the back because I have no difficulty with it. Rong nang. Rong nang is a movie theater. I know that, so I put it all the way in the back. and you can hear that I'm speaking all of the words. My pronunciation might not be perfect, but I'm looking at the spelling and I'm trying to pronounce it as clearly as I can. It can be difficult without a teacher, but that's why you want to listen to English every day, because you learn pronunciation by hearing the correct thing again and again and trying to imitate it. ตอนค่ำ means in the evening or the evening. I know that one, so I put it in the back. I don't want to see it again. เอื้อมไม่ถึง means can't reach it, and I know that, so I put it all the way in the back. Now I have this one, เงื่อน I have this one again. This is the third time seeing this one, and because I keep putting it in the front or in the middle, I'm seeing it again and again, more than the other words, and that's going to help me remember it. So this is my third time seeing it. The first time I saw it and I couldn't remember. The second time, I was pretty sure I remembered it, and this time, because I've seen it 3 times in 6 minutes, which is more than I've seen the other cards, I remember it 100% this time. It means hint or clue. And now, because I'm very, very sure about it, I'll put it in the back. เช่า is to rent. In the back. เป็นอดีตไปแล้ว means it's in the past, or that's the past. And I know that 100%, so I put it in the back. เห็นแก่ตัว means to be selfish. Yes, selfish. And see, I had to check this one. I didn't remember 100%. So I'm going to put it closer to the front so that I see it again soon, and I have to review it again soon. Fun is teeth, I know that. ทนทาน is durable, I know that now. เห็นแก่ตัว okay, I have this one again very soon, and I remember it this time, so put it in the back. So you should do this every morning with the new vocabulary words that you learn, and even with the old vocabulary words that you already know, but maybe you never use them. And if you never use them, you might forget them. But if you do this, you won't forget them.